Hi, we're Omar and Ani. We're from a suburban town just outside of London, and last year we decided to turn our lives upside down and go and travel the world. When we were invited to visit Hong Kong to see our friends get married, we jumped at the chance. In today's wander around the city, we ride the world's longest travelator, visit a ladies' market, watch Hong Kong's famous Symphony of Lights, visit the city's insane pet market, and try and find a coffee in what turns out to be a city full of tea shops.
It's like a million tea shops when you want a coffee.
Let's check it out.
This used to be a Starbucks, but it was smashed up by the protesters because allegedly the franchise owner of the Starbucks supports China, and the protesters tend to target pro-China businesses. Please no hawking, falconry or other bird-related activities. Thank you.
We're in central Hong Kong now, and we got the MTR in, which was really cheap, and we were going to go for some dim sum, but that place is really fancy and looks really expensive, so we're going to try and find something cheap to eat and then go out for a proper meal later and see the sights. We've arrived at the travelator, the longest travelator in the world, but it's being refurbished, so it's no longer the longest travelator. Fortunately, there is this section over here, which we're about to go on, so let's do that. Let's go on the second longest travelator in the world. We're a bit lost. Don't know where we're going.
We are on Tung Choi Street, which has a famous ladies' market, so we're going to see what ladies' things they have at this market.
I'm doing ladies' things that night that ladies do, because that's what I am, a lady.
To me and not him. Really excited. We've got my favourite thing ever, which is a Justice Magician Lego.
There must be a mistake. There's no such thing.
Body. Hi. Okay, this is body. No. This is one. 哎呀，朋友你梗係你乾，Okay, body. 哎呀，you're breaking my throat.
Hong Kong don't mess around.
Still on Tung Choi Street, but the other end. It's very long, and we've reached Pet Alley.
We call it Long Choi Street.
We're gonna have a look and see what they have, and hopefully see some cool animals.
What is this?
I have no idea. I've seen them before, but I don't look at his little face.
It's two-faced.
It's got
eyes on both sides.
Front face and an under face.
Yeah. I shall call him pancake fish. You know how people always bemoan that there's a Starbucks in every corner? Not in Hong Kong there ain't. No, it's definitely a city of tea shops.
Isn't it ironic?
Don't you think?
It's like a million tea shops when you want a coffee. There's no Starbucks in the city of tea. We succumbed to the pressure and bought tea. I got a mango green tea. It's pretty tasty. Got a honey kumquat tea.
Feed me. It's kind of like zesty and a little bit fragrant as well. So yeah, recommend.
I love taking selfies. And you can too. Now when I take selfies with my pillow, I sleep like a baby. It comes in a pack of 1, which if you're like me, is all you need. I can even flip through my phone and look at all the selfies of my pillow in all the different locations, all at once. Buy Seahorse Pillows, the best camera pillows you'll ever have.
The Hong Kong Symphony of Lights. I thought it was pretty cool, to be honest. It was very nice seeing all the strobe lights in the sky. And
they had some music set to it. It was quite hard to hear, but for a free attraction, I think, yeah, really, really good.
come check it out.
Yeah, and we're gonna go get some dinner.
Yum yum, my favourite.
How do you know this place does delicious baked goods? Because they show.
We found a restaurant for dinner. It's called Zibber Garden, which is on the 15th floor of some building near the river where we saw the light show. Annie ordered all the food while I was in the toilet, so I have no idea what we're getting, but I trust her.
We've got our Peking duck and our steaming hot pancakes. Whoa, look at that. Gonna wrap it up like a little duck burrito. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm really excited for this. The duck is so tender and the skin is so crispy, but really, really light. So much flavour. And then the cucumber and onion gives it a nice crunch, and there's a nice fresh contrast to the hoisin sauce, which is quite strong and intense and a bit salty. But altogether, this is an amazing pancake. So if you're in Hong Kong or in China, you need to eat Peking duck.
Looks like it might give me diabetes just eating one mouthful, but hey ho. I think the outside can often be quite just very hard, sort of like break your teeth getting into it. It is still crunchy, as you saw, but it's a lot softer. It doesn't hurt to bite it, but the crunch factor is there, and it's really nice. It makes it really good top.
Exactly the same design of these information direction posts that there are in London, so this is really weird.
They stole them. They done stole our direction signs.
We're waiting for the bus to go home, and I'm very full, very sleepy.
Yeah, it was a busy day. We did a lot, I think. We watched a light show, we ate some delicious food, and witnessed an assault, which wasn't quite so good. But yeah, it was a really good day, and there's still loads more to do. You probably spend a month here and not see everything. Really, really nice place. So yeah, we're going to go home and get some rest, and see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.